Hey guys, just wanted to give everyone's a heads up. So today is the first day of distance learning when it comes to PC repair, which is going to get creative because it's mostly a hands-on class, but we'll be fine. What I'd like you guys to do is understand that your common assessment needs to be done and uploaded to Google Classroom by Wednesday, right? Remember, it's a tech timeline, but we're talking about informational technology from the year 2000 on. So I don't want to hear about the typewriter. I don't want to hear about all that archaic stuff. What I'd like you guys to do is focus mainly on things that are seen at the basis of what we've evolved to now. So cell phones, pagers, Bluetooth, sonar, any type of informational technology, anything that gathers information from anywhere. I would like you guys to kind of focus on there. So remember, picture, and then with some information about it. It doesn't have to be all that long, but I do want you to have the 12 of what you deem to be the most important. So this is the common assessment. So I know my seniors in the class that need the standard. This is where you get it. So that will go right up to Aspen, and even from here, I can put the Aspen stuff up, and you will be all set for the graduation requirement. I also have in there is the reflection. The reflection is done mainly in case you need to present this. So when we get back and it's portfolio day, if you feel like you want to present this assignment, this is one of your four best, which is fine. You can definitely do that, but I do need you to fill out that reflection. The reflection's up on Google Classroom. I filled out the top part for you. So my name, class name, what the name of the the assignment is. You need to go on to the prompt and get the Common Cores, get the standards. Okay, that's all up there, but that needs to be done by you. Okay, I put them on there. You have them. You just got to copy and paste them. The rest of it is really opinion. What did you do? How does this affect you? Questions you've answered before in the other reflections. So this is not a new reflection. So you're just going to answer the questions. Keep that with the assignment if you want to present this. So you'll upload that as well, but you'll have a copy of it. That way you can present. So we're gonna do that for today, which is Monday, and hopefully everyone's up by Wednesday. I'm gonna try to send out a live stream Wednesday to just answer any questions or anything else. I'm available 24 hours, so if you need me, let me know. If you have any questions, you need anything clarified, let me know. But it shouldn't be a problem. We've already been doing this. I'm giving you guys the extra day. It should be due today, Monday, but it's going to be due Wednesday. Give you guys a little extra time. And if you guys need any other assistance with anything else, just shoot me an email. I'll get right back to you. All right.